Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we will discuss about view, share or save your recording in Google Meet. View, share or save your recording in Google Meet. To see a preview of your recording or chat transcript, simply double click the file in the Meet recordings folder on Google Drive. You can download, share or obtain a link to the recording file from the Meet recordings folder or the file preview. In the folder, right click the file and select an action from the menu. Notice you can take additional actions such as rename, make a copy and open with. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.